Aloha and welcome to a soul sound session where we connect with prosperity and abundance. Enjoy. Find a comfortable position wherever you are. Either sit down in a cross-legged position or on a chair, your feet connected to the ground, or you can lay down on your yoga mat or on your bed. Just make sure you are comfortable. And the first thing we want to do is connect to our breath, to our breathing, to the airflow in our body. So for a moment, become a witness of your breath. Become a witness of the air flowing into your body. And become a witness of how the air is leaving your body, in and out. How the air flows in and out of your body, effortlessly, without any help. Now, for the next couple of breaths, I invite you to take deep breaths in through the nose and release through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose. Release through the mouth. You might want to allow yourself to sound, to sigh. Deep breath in through the nose. Let your body relax. Let your body start to relax. Let your body start to relax. And now let the air flow in and out again naturally. In and out of your body. Start receiving the sounds. Let the sounds wash over your body. Let the sound enter your body. Let the sound flow through your body effortlessly. Right here, in this moment, you are safe. Right here, in this moment, you are held. Right here, in this moment, you are invited to receive. You are invited to receive. Receive love. Receive light. And receive abundance. Take the moment right here and now and think about your life. Where in your life are you already abundant? Where in your life are you fully taken care of? Where in your life are you in the flow? Where in your life are you at ease? Abundance has so many different forms. In which form is it already present in your life? Right now, right here, right now. And I'm inviting you to connect with that feeling of abundance. The abundance of love, the abundance of air, the abundance of sunshine, the abundance of trees, the abundance of food, the abundance of water. Connect with that feeling. Connect with that feeling here and now. Receive the feeling of abundance from the inside out. Let the feeling of abundance rise from the inside out. In gratitude. In gratitude for what you already have. What you already received. And from there, we are opening even more to receiving. We are opening more to receiving. We are opening more to receiving. A prayer could be, allow me to receive. Allow me to be wildly open to receiving. Allow me to be wildly open to receiving the abundance that was meant for me. Allow me to rest assured that I am taken care of. Allow me to know that life is rigged in my favor. Allow me to realize that I am loved. Allow me to realize that everything I need is coming to me, is coming to me, is coming to me. Allow me to be wildly open to receiving. Allow me to be open to receiving the abundance that was meant for me. Allow me to connect with my heart space. Allow me to discover the well of abundance deep inside my heart space and let it rise, let it rise, let it rise from within, from the inside out, from the inside out. Allow me to let go of my limiting beliefs about myself. Allow me to grow into a new version of myself, a version deeply connected with prosperity, abundance, love, knowing that abundance has many ways, knowing that abundance has many ways, knowing that abundance has many ways. Allow myself to trust, allow myself to trust, allow myself to trust. I allow myself to trust, allow myself to trust, allow myself to trust. Right here and now, I allow myself to dive deep into the flow of abundance, into the river of prosperity, and go with the flow. And I let the current take me. I let the current take me. I let the current take me. No more pushing. No more trying hard. Only allowing. Only receiving. I allow myself to desire what I already have, when I allow the feeling of gratitude to fill me up, to fill me out, then I'm truly connected to abundance. Joyfully receiving, playfully receiving, let it in, let it come and receive. Receive. Receive the gift of your very own prosperity. You are worthy. You are loved. You are supported. And you are carried by the river of abundance. Stay connected to that feeling of gratitude. Stay connected to your very own prosperity and abundance, and allow yourself to be wildly open to receiving, receiving, receiving. What you seek is seeking you. Everything you want is already on its way. Feel it now. Feel the joy now. Feel the abundance now. Feel the prosperity now. And then go out and play. Go out and play. Go out and play. Reconnect with your breath. Reconnect with your body. and come back in this time and space with the knowing that you are loved, with the knowing that you are worthy, and with the knowing that you are prosperous. Maybe wiggle your toes, stretch your body, and come back into this space and time, and enjoy the new feeling of joy, love, laughter, and abundance. Aloha.